You search for how to buy shares of Breville Group Limited, ticker BRG.ASX. Breville is an Australian maker of small kitchen appliances, listed on CBOE AUS under BRG.ASX. This video is educational and not financial advice. Always research and consider risks before investing. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will normally need to verify your account with an identity document and then add funds to your account. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BRG.ASX to locate the Breville listing. Select the result that matches Breville Group Limited to open its market page. On the Breville page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent market activity. Confirm that the company name and ticker match BRG.ASX before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to spend and choose market or limit parameters if available. Review the order carefully and confirm it. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your Breville position will appear in your portfolio after the trade is executed. For convenience, the demonstration link to eToro is in the video description if you want to follow the steps.